All right, let's get straight to it. If you have ever used these words that I'm going to mention now, this video is for you. I beg to apply. I humbly apply. I am confident in my skills to get the job done. I look forward to hearing from you. Please find attached my cover letter and my favorite, with gratitude to God for a job search well done. This video is for you. Yes, I know. I know that the job search in 2025 has been crazy, highly competitive. A lot of people coming out of the universities and joining those already out of jobs in trying to get the same jobs. And so I understand the effort. In fact, looking for a job, it's a job on its own. Those that know, they know. But hold on a minute. Have you tried to think about it, that just maybe you are so close to clinching that job that you've always wanted, but the only thing lacking is just that little side knowledge of AI, artificial intelligence? Come to think of it, we're in 2025 and AI seems to be taking over everything as we know it today. And so, why not, of course, if you can, get a little bit of AI knowledge to spice up that juicy resume that you already have? What am I trying to say? No knowledge is actually wasted. In this time that we are today, anyone that doesn't have an idea of how to use AI, I'm sorry to say, there are a lot of people in the competition that probably know what AI can do. And so what am I trying to say? If you can, please add that knowledge to your robust resume that you already have. Yes, I know it's not easy, but guess what? It would pay you in the end, because we're in that time. We're in the AI times. That's just the truth. So, very important. Get that AI knowledge, and that may just be your break in 2025. Now that is for the job seekers. For the recruiters, recruiters, I know you have thousands of resumes that you probably have to skim through, and you have no time to focus on one resume or the other. And I applaud your effort. It is not easy combing through thousands of resumes, only knowing fully well that you're just going to pick one or two candidates. But recruiters, please, when you are posting jobs or when you are trying to recruit for jobs, do not look for 10 years experience. At the end of the day, you allow that individual go through 5 stages of interviews, 4 stages of interview, only to offer the person an entry-level salary. Come on, that's not fair. That is so not fair, and that can be very discouraging. And so, in as much as I know that some job applicants do not take time to review their resumes and, match the job description, a good recruiter, I believe, would be able to spot talent when they see one. And as I said earlier on, I applaud your effort in going through all of the things that you go through in trying to single out a candidate that's probably fit for that role. And that's for the recruiters. Now, to the referees, just a little tip. It goes a long way to actually add context when you're actually referring a candidate for a job. Just put a little note on how you think that individual can actually contribute to, the job role as well as the company. And of course, if you can as well add how, your relationship how deep your relationship goes with that person, that will really go a long way, in helping that person stand a chance to even get selected for an interview. Now, if you've tried everything that you know how to do in trying to clinch a job, and you still do not have any success, no problem at all. There are other things you can actually engage in while also looking for that job. What am I trying to say? You have rideshare services that you can actually enroll in and start making money by carrying people around. Easy money, right? If that doesn't work for you, go and learn photography or videography and become a content creator. You'll be amazed how much you can make. Maybe you are the one that will probably bring that idea that will make these big social media companies pay you so much for displaying it out there to the world. And then if videography or photography is not your thing, we have other products that you can sell, all to make money and just so you don't get frustrated. You have insurance businesses you can go to. Yes, I know there's a lot of complaints about agents trying to sell products that clients do not need. We're not talking about those kind of people. We're talking about people that do the right thing, okay? So what am I trying to say? You can enroll and register to one of these insurance businesses. If insurance business is not your thing, as you know, being an independent insurance broker, you can also sell utilities, energy, phone utilities and things like that. There are companies that offer, such. I'll leave a link in the description, for you to access some of these agencies, as well as rideshare services that you can register with, all while you are also applying for the jobs that you need. This is 2025, my people. Please, let's not come in 2026, hopefully, and still do I beg to apply. I know the struggle is on, but I also know that you would overcome at the end of the day. Okay, so I hope I gave you something to cheer about today. Make sure you share this video so that people can watch and also get what is the word now? Motivated. Thank you, and until next time, I remain Dr. Wenks.